So how did we use the 6D solution to kind of deliver value here? What we did was we first identified the business objectives. We looked at what are the things that the business wants to do, how we can deliver value to the business, and what significant difference they were willing to create in the market. How Headspace was trying to differentiate itself from all the other players in the market who are already doing something like this. So this is something like mental health is not new. It's a very what would I say has been in the market for a lot of time. A lot of people have been talking it for centuries now. So Headspace wanted to create a difference in this particular market. So what they did was they started by doing a user research. They started understanding what are the needs and the pain points of the user. What are the challenges these users are having? What are some of their problems that they're having? Why are they facing this problem? What is leading them to these problems, and what could be of value to the users? How can we help these users who are coming to us with these problems? So with this, they started, and what they did was they conducted a user research. And once the research was done, they moved on to the area of defining a solution. They identified who are the people for whom we can, create as the solution, whether it's a platform for students or professionals or homemakers, who this platform is for. How can we scale from the solution? How can we test the solution? Then what we would have done is we would have created the wireframes and have an early validation in the wireframes by brainstorming it with the teams, ensuring that we understand what we can build, what are some of the things which are possible, whether we can mitigate the costs, etc. or not. And then we would build an early prototype. Once the prototype was ready, they were able to test this prototype, they were able to validate it with the market. And what they did with is then they moved to the delivery phase, wherein they kind of identify what is the best solution which is possible. And they also talk about some of the assets or some of the delivery specifications as to how design delivery needs to happen in the UX space, what we typically call as a handoff.